everyone, welcome to our channel. We are so excited to tell you that we designed this channel to help you. You will get many ideas to live a happy life. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to know yourself. My motive is to make this video is that I want you to know yourself. So let's begin from introduction. Hi there, my name is Hemant Raj, who had gone through many problems, challenges, got frustrated many times, but I learned to overcome them. In this video, I am sharing my experiences and tests which I conducted to overcome many challenges. To achieve your dreams and desire, you have to learn these ideas and eliminate the hurdles in the journey of success. Instead of focusing on external world, first look into your internal world and understand it. Life will be easy and beautiful. If you apply these ideas, you can transform your life, start a work or business, do that you love to do, or achieve your dreams. When you start implementing them, you will get results. Otherwise, it is just knowledge addition. The knowledge without application is useless. It is essential we live our life with happiness, courage, and enthusiasm. But scenario is different today. People don't live the life of their purpose. They believe in others instead of themselves. Feel helpless to find the solution of their own. To overcome all these challenges, I have explained the concepts so that you can become capable of understanding your own self, become more confident, face all the life challenges with courage, and lead a happy life. Let's talk about how to know yourself. For many years, I was doing my work without understanding the true self. I was progressing in life, but speed was slow due to many problems. The first problem was assuming myself as a body, means my body is me. Many people think like this. The question is how this type of knowledge was a problem. This was a problem because whenever I did not achieve a target, I got furious and punished my body. And I used to say that my body did not achieve this target because of lack of understanding, discipline, motivation, and many more. In short, I used to blame myself for underachievement. This changed when I started understanding my true self in a true sense. I am the source of my body. In fact, everyone is the source of their body. The source of body is infinite, limitless, and formless. For example, our body is like ice. The source of ice is water. Once we understand that we are the source of our body, then most of the fears go away. The source is infinite, limitless, and formless. Most of us have a fear of death because they think their body is themselves. The point here is we have to understand ourselves from inside and spiritually. To have the self knowledge, we have to constantly focus on four areas: physical body, mind, who am I in reality, how to get anything in the universe. Understand, our body is very important to keep it healthy and fit. Therefore, we have to have the right understanding of what to eat, when to eat, what nutrition is required, how much physical exercise is required. Our mind is the playground of our thoughts. So we have to learn to control our thoughts. Otherwise, our thoughts will control our life. Many times, my thoughts were controlling my life because actions happen according to the type of thoughts generate in mind. The understanding of who am I is essential. Otherwise, we will not move in the right direction in life. Many people pass their life without understanding their true self and regret at the end, even after they have achieved all material things they required. We have to have required principle to lead a great life. For this, get knowledge to make life smooth. The fact is, most of us focus on this area and forget the above three. Before understanding myself, I was scared of failure, losing things, to take any actions and scared of following my passion. Therefore, it becomes critical to understand self. To achieve your dreams, utilizing full potential to lead a great life with joy. Let's understand what can you do to understand yourself. You need to do two things. Always keep learning. Don't ever stop learning. Second thing, learn to understand the truth in every area of life. Let's understand what are the benefits of understanding self. First thing, you will not fear to take new path in life. Second, you will believe in yourself. Third, you will not fear to take risk in life. Last but not the least, you will control your life instead of surrounding controls you. That's all for today. I hope you like it. If you get something from this video, give it hit subscribe and turn on notification because it motivates me to make more video like this. So thank you for watching this video guys. See you next time.